Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Porsche Cayenne guys, for the generation years 2002 to 2010. So what we'll be doing guys, we'll show you where to find the fuse for the radiator fan. Now, you might have two fuses guys, stay with us and we're going to explain. We'll guys have more than 200 videos on a Porsche Cayenne. Please guys subscribe to the channel. Our goal is to save you as much money as we can by teaching you guys how to fix your car for free. Now, all the videos, electrical videos, will be on this channel. The mechanical videos guys could be found. We have two more channels, World Mechanics and Auto Repair guys. Please check them out, that way things are more organized. Now, doesn't matter if you have a V8 or a V6 engine, the procedure is the same. You need to open your hood guys, and right here you can see, you have a cover. This cover needs to be removed by twisting these things like 90 degrees. Pull it out. Like that, leave it on the side. Now this is your fuse box, right here. You can see those nuts or bolts, we need to twist them 90 degrees, retainers, whatever you call those, you have 3 of them, and leave that cap open. Now, this is guys the fuse box. On the inside there is nothing, absolutely nothing. This is on the outside. On the outside guys, you can see, you can find the fuse labels now. And you can see that we have fuse number 1 and 2. 1 and 2 guys are actually pretty big fuses, right? It's these fuses right here. And in most cases, you don't even need to remove them, to test them. Now 1 and 2 both are for the fan. One is for the 600 watt fan, one is for the 300. You can see this one 600 watt fan, 300. So both of them are for the radiator fan 1 and 2. So if you have problems with your radiator fan, check that guys. If not, we have a video on our channel that explains how to remove and replace radiator fan as well. Check it out guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful to some of you. Please hit that subscribe button for more videos and see you guys next time.